The fastest way to build a profitable business with AI agents, everyone searching for the next big thing, the next trend, the next opportunity, the next way to make money. But what if I told you the fastest, most profitable business you can start today does not need a massive budget or any coding skills or even employees? Well then, what is it? Well, it's AI agents, 24/7 digital workers that automate business tasks and generate cash on autopilot. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to start an AI business fast, how to sell it before you build it, and how to scale it to $10,000 per month and beyond. So shall we begin? Well, most people think making money with AI means coding or some complex application development. Some even spend months building something no one wants. But the reality is the fastest way to cash is not building an app. It's launching a simple, high-value AI agent that solves a real business problem. But first, let's clear something. What is an AI agent? Well, it's an AI system that replaces a human role in business, cheaper, faster, and better. For example, an AI sales closer that follows up with leads and closes deals, or an AI customer support agent that answers questions, FAQs, processes refunds, and handles inquiries. And the best part, this all can be built without writing a single line of code. But you know why most people fail doing this or get stuck? Well, they waste months building something without knowing anyone will pay for it. Instead, this is what you can do to avoid failure. Find a real business problem, then pitch that solution before building and then getting a commitment, something like deposit, contract, or upfront payment from an actual user, and then build the AI agent, because now you are getting paid before investing time or money. Simple, no risk and no wasted effort. And here's what you can say something similar to this to your next potential client. Would you pay X dollars per month if I built an AI system that handles this for you? And if you send this message to 100 leads, and if anyone says yes, boom, you just closed your first deal. Also now the most complicated part, how to build an AI agent. Well, most people think you need an engineering team. Well, you don't. Here is the tech stack you can use right now. ChatGPT APIs that will be the brain of your AI agent. Bubble, a no-code platform to build workflows. Zapier that will automate workflows, and WhatsApp APIs that will let your AI agent send messages and make calls. And if you need any information about these, or you want AI businesses but don't know where to start, you can hit the link below or DM me on LinkedIn. I will respond you as soon as I can. And now, for example, that you have built an AI agent for one business, it's time to scale. Here's what you can do. Turn the AI agent into a system. I mean, automating the whole process, the whole AI agent, so it runs on autopilot. Then package it as a service, like offering it as a monthly subscription and charging multiple businesses for the same AI solution. For example, if you can build an AI lead generation agent and charge $500 per month per client, with just 10 clients, that's $5,000 per month. And with 50 clients, that's $25,000 per month. And since AI agents work automatically, you're not selling time for money. You are selling automation. But now the question is, will you take action? Because guys, an AI agents are biggest business opportunity in 2025. Low cost, high demand, huge profit margins. So don't miss this. I'm genuinely saying this from the bottom of my heart. And if you really need my help, my LinkedIn is always open. I will see you in the next one. Bye.